Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by IMI Global, third-party verification and value-added services you can trust. Only time will tell, but this week could mark a turning point in fed cattle markets. Fed cattle trade was noted earlier this week at 101 per hundredweight, $1 to $3 lower than last week. Prices at 101 were about $5 per hundredweight lower than the highs 4 weeks ago. Some degree of softening is common on the backside of Labor Day beef demand, and fed cattle supplies in the north can often grow into the early fall. However, the setback was expected to be short-lived this year. The beef may continue softening in the coming weeks after a stout Labor Day rally, but an improved leverage situation for the cattle feeding segment should be an overriding factor and still allow fed cattle prices to stabilize and then push higher. The front-end fed cattle supply remains large, but is expected to erode quickly as the massive drop in placements this spring is now manifesting itself in a smaller placed against supply. As of time of recording, some late-week trade has now been noted in the South at 102. This will help set the tone for the fed cattle market to likely trade steady to firm next week. The live cattle futures market may be anticipating this as well. The nearby October contract failed to take out last week's lows, even as fed cattle were trading at lower money earlier this week, and is set to finish the week around $1 higher than last Friday. Turning to the other corners of the market, the box beef complex saw good early week buying to fill in after Labor Day sales, but finished the week with choice beef down $6.41 and select down $5.18. Feeder cattle traded mostly steady to 5 higher this week around the country, while the CME Feeder Cattle Index added $1.42 Thursday to Thursday at 141.10. Calves traded mixed this week from 3 lower to 3 higher. A softer tone is likely in the next few weeks, as a few more early weaned calves are noted. Market cows traded 2 lower to 1 higher this week. Corn ended the week up 7 cents per bushel, as the USDA lowered the corn crop yield estimate by 3.3 bushels to 178.5 bushels per acre. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.